Hello friends, how are you today? Hope you all well and fine. Today I just bring another vlog for you guys for the unboxing for Pandora Arcade Classic. I decide, so why not make a video for this one for you guys. So now we can start unboxing, and before we start unboxing, thank you very much, and of course you like our channel and subscribe, and very happy. That's why I just bring it video day by day for you. For anything I can buy, I just make video for you, because I think it's helpful video, maybe it's helpful video for you guys. Before I start unboxing, or without wasting any time, ideas you can give it to me, just write it down, and then we can follow for my next video. And any comments there, so, or any information, any question, so just write down below in this video, and I'll just reply back to you. Now I start unboxing this game, Pandora Arcade Classic, just arriving today. So before, I just open it for carefully, don't make any damage. So always I'll bring the good video for you anyway, so I try my best. Just very happy for your response. I'm not the bring any video for my reviews videos yet, because I made for the many reviews, and then definitely I hope inshallah you saw my reviews videos as well. So here we go. I just open for about one stage. So I open it. Always be careful. So this is the box, and inside the box you need to open it. So I put the fingers here, and this box open. So this is the box include for this all accessories, HDMI cable, and this is the power lead, this is the manual, this is VGA cable. If you don't have the support for this is the VGA cable, because if you don't have the any HDMI facility, so you can use the VGA cable connected with the TV or connected with your PC. Then these are the gaming the button. They provide you, supply you maybe extra, so I don't know yet. The company who made the Pandora, so Pandora, the company who made this the console, is very beautiful look, and you can see now, very nice. So I just take from here. So just make sure no anything inside. So the friends, this is the all the package inside. I just open the old packaging, and then the all accessories. I show you the cables, HDMI cables, VGA cables, 2 extra button. If any button not working, then they can provide you extra, so you need to be solder it. And this is the power lead, and this one is the manual, and this is the company called Pandora, who just customized made this console. So here they are. I just show you for this the video, and then first of all I can play and test it all, and then decide how this game is during the play. You enjoy, or the good games inside, or like a childhood childhood time games, when you young age time games, because this console actually 9,800 games, I think, if I remember. So classical arcade station, professionally designed and reliable quality, but there's no model number on it. So this is custom made, and also they're very nice and sleek. Just test it first and then I'll give you the review about this game, and after you just made a decision or decide if you plan in your mind for buy this game. So thank you very much for looking my video, watch my video for unboxing. This is small the video I just made it, and next video I just made the review. I know so many reviews, but I just made the reviews day by day, and then I can one day I just uploaded all together or one by one. So thank you very much, take care, bye.